Well, hello everybody from Six Flags Over Georgia, here by the train station, one of two of them that is. Welcome to the vlog here today. I am wearing not the appropriate t-shirt, an El Toro t-shirt from Six Flags Great Adventure, even though I did not get to experience it yet. You can hear acrophobia going on in the background, which I love that ride. But today, I'm bringing you a construction update number 3 here today, where we're gonna check out what's new with Splashwater Falls, Mindbender, and also we might even jet over to Six Flags Whitewater to check up on some possible construction for Python Plunge. Hopefully you guys are thrilled because I'm super excited to bring you guys this. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new, like the video, and let's go have ourselves an adventure. Let's go, guys. So if y'all wanted to know where I am, usually when the train's there, like right over there, this is a great photo opportunity for y'all. You can just walk back here. There's benches behind the Six Flags membership lounge, and that's where I just did the intro. Let's go continue on with our day. See what this day has in store for us. So they have blocked off the area and removed the sign towards the old Sky Bucket entrance location near Acrophobia. You can see he's doing some pavement work right here, which is really neat. We can walk up here to see anything else that we can spot. But when you get up here, you can see there are 2 benches up here. It is a smoking permitted area and also service animal relief area right here. But wish we could get up there a little bit closer. They have some caution tape up there as well. But wow, I haven't actually been over here. This is actually quite relaxing and cool because it's shaded, but you can see through the trees a little bit. You can see Goliath, but this is a different peak perspective of the sky buckets on the other side right here. Interesting. But you can see some work is being done slowly but surely. Quick question for y'all. When is the Glad Hatter going to open, and also the vintage photography? I haven't seen the vintage photography store place open up in a very long time. Such a unique place, but I don't know. Who likes that store? Now let's shoot over to Boomtown and see what's new. Also, they're doing a whole little new announcement thing for the whole hashtag The Thrill Is Calling. You can see it is completely empty here today. I like that a lot. And also, still not open yet. Who remembers that this used to be what, Boomtown Snack / La Cantina back in the day? Just bringing this up. Did anybody eat here before in the past? Real quick, if we look over the fence, one thing I wanted to show you really quick is they have the entrance open, so you can see this will be connected with Splashwater Falls project, where they remove Bugs Bunny High Seas Adventure, and they have opened this extra gate right here to get back, as you can see the mine train going by, to get back to where Splashwater Falls was located. You can also see the old fence is located there, if you can see right there. But now, see, is this double fence that I mentioned last time. Wow, I'm really curious now to get over to Splashwater Falls, which we're about to right here in a second, to see what is actually going on. Is it even still there? We will find out in a second. And oh my goodness, there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, besides the beginning part of the lift hill right here, which makes it about 99% demolished, Splashwater Falls has officially been demolished. All we have left is the trough remaining. We're gonna go around and get a closer look and go over to the Metropolis area. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. This thing's gonna happen. Now, I wonder, are they going to keep this bridge? Is this still going to remain? You do have another one over there that people can cross over to get over to this area up to Carousel Hill. So the bridge that I'm standing on, it might not make sense to keep it, because if you want to expand back further to have a little more space, you can do so. But I told you all, by mid-June, this thing will most likely be gone. Now, you have some mechanical action going on here, so that's most likely while that's remaining, but just 99%, that little bit right there is remaining. They just have beams sticking out, just tore down the queue, removed all the stanchions. Of course, the trough is still there. But wow, so many different perspectives. Now, if you look straight on through there, perfectly straight on through, people have wondered what's going to happen with Dahlonega Mine Train. Now, I believe that ride, this coaster, it is the first coaster ever at Six Flags Over Georgia. Now, I believe that it's going to be safe because of that, but you also never know. I did mention that in a prior video that I'll link in the description down below, and you can see it in the iCard right there. I could see it being demolished, but it might be safe because it's the first coaster at this park. But let's go around to the other side to see what is going on a little bit more. And what's crazy, to be honest with y'all right now, a 40 free spin is actually the perfect size, along with the skyrocket too. is already the perfect fit without you removing that little bit of Dahlonega Mine Train or that bridge. But already, wow, check this out. If you look on the lift hill right here, they have water spraying out of the lift, and this is crazy. Like, water just started while I was just speaking to you all right there. Water just started shooting out of the little bit of the lift hill. For some strange reason, I have no idea what's going on. Man, the timing is perfect, and we just caught it again. That is funny. And what's crazy about this spraying and getting wet is the machinery right there is getting soaked, and that doesn't seem very good for that to be wet. And the reason people have wondered about the turnaround portion right there of Dahlonega Mine Train, because if you look, part of the pillars are in the trough of Splashwater Falls. Well, really, I mean, it would go around here and all that, so there's a little extra area so they can kind of do something with that, but you can still work with this area, like, truly. There's definitely room to make something happen, but it's so funny to see water spraying at the perfect time of us recording. But guys, what do you guys think? Is anything going to happen to the Dahlonega Mine Train? Are they going to reroute it? Are they going to change the layout? Anything can happen here. You can see just the cement is left, and it is completely gone. Look at this view, y'all, before they start doing the construction, as they just partially finished the demolition. Would you look at that? It is completely gone. Just to reiterate, and just to mention it again, the ride structure itself is completely gone, besides that little bit of the lift hill right there. Let's see next time, like, what more progress they've done, because this is crazy. Mid-June, and they've torn it down completely. Splashwater Falls is no more. As I walk away from that area, it's still crazy to see how quickly they tore that down. A matter of 3 weeks or so, and it is completely 99.9% we'll say, torn down. But it is completely empty here in the Metropolis area, along with not many people are riding Superman right now. Let's go see. I see a lot of people heading over to Hurricane Harbor. Let's check it out. Here in Hurricane Harbor, you can see that the Tidal Way Cafe is closed here today. Oh man, it's very, very empty compared to last time. Make sure you guys check out that vlog if you have not. But wow, this is a perfect day to visit Hurricane Harbor. Look at this beautiful oasis. You can see the cabanas right there, but essentially nobody is in there. About 3 families or such, but what a perfect, beautiful day. Perfect skies, barely any clouds, but just beautiful. This is amazing, as you guys can see here. Wow, perfect day here at Hurricane Harbor. Quite empty too at that. Of course, only the bonsai pipelines are open right now, while Tsunami Surge is not open, but it is completely empty here at Hurricane Harbor today. Perfect time to get out here. I always love the angles that you can get here from Hurricane Harbor of Scream Machine. As we are hitting primetime summer, make sure you do have your sunscreen when you do visit the park, because it is very, very hot, and it can get upwards to 100 degrees, especially with all like the asphalt and all that. It gets very, very hot here. Here we go. We have Scream Machine coming around these last bit of airtime hills. Here it comes. Watch the brake. All the people slam forward. It's crazy. Did you go over like the last airtime hill right into a break right here? Craziness. So instead of walking all the way down there and around, you can enter right through here to get through the rest of Hurricane Harbor. Interesting. They have the entranceway open there for near Blue Hawk. Service roads. We have here too in this lick skillet area is a completely empty lick skillet area right now. You can still see the new turkey leg location is right there, but the only thing really open right here is the Miners Cookhouse. You can see more at this other sky bucket location. They have the wood around here along with the barriers and the caution tape, but you can see it's very clear, as you can see right on through it. What do you guys think is going to happen with this area location? You can also see now they have like these benches just located here outside of the old sky bucket area. As you can see, pandemonium swinging in the background. It's always interesting too, the Annie's Guess Your Weight right here is only open when it's super, super busy around the park, which it is not today. To mask the old icy area that I mentioned that they redid, they added more benches, which is really nice because hey, more seats around the park is not a bad thing, I guess. All right, so just to mention again, as I mentioned before earlier in the video, video. This was the bridge that I was standing on before. Now you could remove that and extend whatever all the way back here and keep this bridge right here that people can walk around to go up to Carousel Hill, Metropolis, the rest of the park over there. A little bit further a walk, but I mean, I guess with the whole parking situation, how far you have to walk. You used to enter near Pandemonium, but now they only have one entrance instead of two. You can remove this bridge right here. As I mentioned in this video here that you can see in the iCard right there and in the description down below. It's possible, it can happen. But last time I was here, one of the last few times, you could walk back here as like a mass-free break zone area, even though those are no more. It's now gated off. You can't get back there right now. I wonder why. Of course, the icy stand on this hot day today is the busiest food or drink line in the park, rightfully so. So it is Pride Month for those who are wondering, but they did roll out, because 4th of July is almost here, they rolled out the 4th of July merchandise and moved the Pride stuff over there. Now let's check out some of this merchandise here. You can see a gray shirt, a white one, and navy blue, of course, different sippers, mugs, and you can see the prices right here. We have $13.99. Of course, if you have a membership discount, you can apply it. I guess these would be nice for like Hurricane Harbor as a pullover cover-up, but it's kind of too hot for that right now. But they have them here if you need them for later on for winter time or such, holiday in the park. They have anime t-shirts here. That's unique, really just unique. It's so weird. We got like a Lil Wayne cat t-shirt right there, but this area right here that I'm standing under, get your AC, guys. It's very hot out there. It's very cool in here. So this has been stuck here for about an hour and a half, 2 hours now. I'm glad nobody's on it. It's good to see the Gotham City Snacks location back open again. It's been a while since I've seen it open and operating. The only update I have for you all right now with Mindbender is there's about 5 or 6 of them that were sitting on the track right there. You can see one guy right there, but they're right in there because it's quite hot. It is reaching close to 100 degrees here today, but that's about it. I know that was a very, very quick Mindbender update, but hey, I gave you guys a lot last time. Check out that video if you haven't, but that's about all that there was for it now, but progress is being made. Daredevil Dive Express Bar is still closed. Also, they have a step and repeat right here for Mindbender to get you excited. Ooh, guys, it's like 100 degrees here. It is very, very hot here. Stay hydrated, please remember that. I'll see you guys over at Whitewater. Alright, we are here now at Six Flags Whitewater to check out the construction update for Python Plunge. Let's do it. So I'll give you guys something to look at while I speak. Tornado is down, but this one is down for maintenance. Now, I do want to mention here at Six Flags Whitewater that 7 out of 14 slides are currently down. That is 7 out of 14 slides. You can see one of the rafts still on the attraction right there, but 7 out of 14 rides are, or slides rather, are currently down here at Six Flags Whitewater, along with the wave pool. Now, to mention why is all this happening is because they are short-staffed. Just like over Georgia, just like Hurricane Harbor, they are short-staffed right now, and it takes about 13 lifeguards to operate the lazy river. So they are short-staffed right now, so that is why majority of these slides, besides this one is down because of maintenance, but 7 out of 14 slides are down. Now, I did do some looking at construction. There is construction happening right now. It is occurring right now, construction for Python Plunge, but obviously we can't see it because it's higher up. Now, the maintenance vehicles that were operating, I'll show you a picture right here. Shout out to Rides and Roars. They were here earlier, but they have left now since me being here, and there's nothing happening. Now, that's your little update here from Six Flags Whitewater. 7 out of 14. Hopefully they get some more staff and get the stuff back open. Super excited, but I will be back here with another vlog. That's your little update here from Six Flags Whitewater, but good thing is people are lined up. Dive Bomber's back open. You can see the lovely lazy river is still full. It is currently closed at the moment. You can see everybody excited. The wave pool is highly operational. You got the waves about to start. Everybody's super thrilled. Lifeguard standing up to do his job, but super excited as everybody else is. You can't pass that line right there, but I can't wait to get back here, as I mentioned, and give you guys another vlog here from Six Flags Whitewater. Man, what a lovely sunny day. You can hear and see the excitement. As you can see all the water right here making a little bit of waves here. But very nice, everybody having fun and a great time here. And so if anybody was wondering and wanted to know, you can see the Venom of Python Plunge is coming in 2022. It'll be right up there in this area. That's where Python Plunge will be. Construction has commenced. It has begun. But that's your update here. You can see the slides right there and the lily pad crossing right over there. This is where Python Plunge will be located. Ooh, it is hot out there. But that'll do it for me today from Six Flags Over Georgia, Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags Over Georgia, and Six Flags Whitewater. Thank you guys so much for joining me as I toured you all around for construction and demolition updates at Six Flags Over Georgia and Six Flags Whitewater. Man, so much is happening around these parks. Give it a year to 3 years. So much is going to happen, and hopefully if they do it right, Six Flags Over Georgia will be a top tier park, guys. Mark my words. Hold me to that. But guys, thank you guys so much. Again, I'll be back at Six Flags Whitewater yet again for another vlog in the near future. So stay tuned for that. You guys were very receptive to the last one. Check out that vlog if you have not. Thank you guys so much. All the videos that I have in the description down below, check them out as well. But guys, subscribe if you are new. Like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till my next video, my next adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.